here again at Las Perlas, and today we're going to show you how to make a classic margarita. Now, what you need for this is very simple. Tequila, an orange liqueur, sugar, and lemon juice. That's right, lemon juice. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take 2 ounces of our tequila, pour it right here in the tin, and we're going to take half an ounce of our Royal Cambier, or orange liqueur, pour it right in the tin. We're going to take 1 tablespoon of sugar, and then we're going to take 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Squeeze that bad boy right in there, and we're going to pour it right in the tin. We're going to get some ice, give that bad boy a good shake, get our glass for it. Now, the reason why we're using lemon juice today instead of lime juice is we're staying as accurate to the original recipe as possible. Now, how it all started was pre-Prohibition era, they actually had a drink that was used with brandy that was called the Daisy. And what they were doing was, in Mexico, now, I don't know if you know, but Margarita and Daisy actually come from the same word in Spanish. So, by mistake, someone actually grabbed a bottle of tequila instead of brandy in Mexico during the Prohibition era and made the first Daisy with tequila. It's also been made with gin, but this one stuck, and everybody loved it. And ever since then, you could ask for a tequila Daisy and have yourself a margarita. Now that's how you make a classic margarita. Right here at Las Perlas, my name is BC in downtown LA, and I'll be serving you up your libations anytime you want. Come on through.